Hello, 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 welcome back. Okay guys, did you just saw the walkthrough of my latest Not So Mini album? Maybe you like to make exactly the same as I did, then I have a kit for you put together. So I'm gonna show you what's in the kit. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so what's in the kit? Of course, the lovely Fleur Design paper collection. Winter Designs, it's called. And I have 36 pages for you. Yes, this is a big pile of lovely pastel winter pages. Not Christmas, you can use it for Christmas, but I just call it Cozy Winter. My album is called Cozy Winter because the papers make me feel cozy. So yeah, lovely pastel color tints. Love it. There is only this image in it, so I made myself a nice sheet of lovely vintage images to put together with this. I also have, of course, a sheet where all the words came on that I use for all the tabs. There is, of course, a see-through sheet, of course, 3 pieces of chipboard. It's 2mm thickness. There is a welcome note, of course, with some measurements on it, and of course the flurry fluffy fabric that I use for the spine, and of course the flower bag that I used, the ribbon bag that I used, a few embellishments that I use, including the silver ribbon embellish belt thing. So not much that I use qua embellishment metal things, not much, but okay. And then as a plus, also a 6x6 paper pack, which actually belongs to the kit last year that I made for the Christmas kit, but I totally forgot it, so I will add it in here. I did use more than half, well, almost completely the 6x6, because there are also lovely blue and pink tints in it. So yep, I did use quite a lot of this, so that's included too. So I hope you like it. I hope you like to make exactly the same Not So mini album as I did. Then this kit is for you. Everything is inside. Just send me an email if you want it and ask me for the Cozy Winter kit. And I do ship worldwide, so I must say the 12x12 papers are not fitting in a small mailbox, so shipping out of Europe is a little bit more than you normal are used to with my normal A4 mailbox kits. But it's worth it, it definitely is. So text me through my email, and every information further will be below the description box below this video, so check it out. Please give me a big thumbs up if you like it. Bye bye, see you next time.